how's everyone doing today? Today, I actually have a pretty cool part. This is for the CBR, and this is in theory, a USB battery plug. I got this off of eBay. It costed me $11. It took a little while to come. I think they lied a little bit about where it came from. So I think it comes from China, and then they just sort of delay. They give you the tracking number right away, but then they delay. If you follow the tracking, it doesn't actually leave or get picked up till about a week later. So this took about 2 weeks to come. But like I said, it was only $11, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it. This is relatively easy to install, so I actually might make an install video from this. So I'm gonna continue and let's take a look. Snip. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, relatively simple. It gives you all the wires. So I chose this one because it actually comes with the connectors for the battery and also the USB plug. So this is going to allow me to charge my cell phone while I ride, which has actually been nerve-wracking because, you know, I have GPS going, I have music going through Bluetooth, and it just kills the battery. I can go, you know, one trip, you know, it'll get to 50% from 100%. So this is something that I actually really recommend to anybody if you're going to go riding. And for 11 bucks, it's almost a no-brainer. And assuming that I do an install video on this, you'll also see that it's very easy to install. It's basic hand tools. So let's go ahead and open it and we can take a look at the quality for $11 from New Jersey. Okay, first thing you notice, because I'm a drifter, the first thing I notice is the wonderful zip ties that comes with it. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Comes with a fuse. This is a 10 amp fuse. That's pretty neat. Okay. So here is the connector that goes from this connector, which you can, what's really cool is you can use this for a trickle charger, because this is a universal connector. And you can use it for trickle chargers or any other accessories that I might get later. This piece is actually, in my opinion, the harder piece to find for a good price. Here we go, and let's see here, and then you have a USB. It's a single USB port. It actually has two little screw bolts here, but it doesn't look like it came with any hardware to mount it. So it'd be nice to be able to mount this somewhere conveniently, but it doesn't look like it has it. I might try to find a different splitter of some sort, so maybe I can charge. I want to be able to charge my actual Senna head unit in my helmet. And in addition to charging the phone at the same time. It should supply enough amps for that. So hopefully that'd be something I'd like to be able to do. But they do offer ones just this connector with two or three. So I'll take a look at that. We'll put this here like this and be organized. I'll open this up and I'll put the fuse in. Nothing really complicated about that. Okay. Positive, negative. And last thing I'll check and see is if they gave me 2 fuses, which would be funny. Ha, they did. Ha, that's so cool. For 11 bucks. That's some quality stuff. They gave me 2 fuses. Check that out. So I have a spare, and I have a main one, and then you can just pretty much install this and be good to go. Cool. Well, I guess that's it for me. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. If not, then don't. Thank you again for watching, and see you guys next time.